got a little part 2 here. We just got done with this last one. Let's bring it right on in there. This was the one with the heavy rust on it. You see, we're not removing much, if any, of the galvanizing that's not already rusted off. Get my hand out of here. Yes, I just bit that glove that was covered in sand. So you can see here, we're just where the rust was. We're really right down to the metal. You can see where the galvanizing is still here, across the middle, out here where it was cobbed up pretty good and oxidized and stuff. Yep. There are a couple little spots left on these little washers here. I'll just throw it back in real quick and knock them down, but that's it. That's 90% of it is done. I'll get a little, hang these up and get some primer and some paint on them today. And we're gonna hang the door and work on the latch or the catch in the door jamb, right? And then we'll pin the door open, dress the door jamb, paint the door jamb, and then that's done. I think we're gonna have to wait, unfortunately, with the exterior paint of the trailer, because we're just gonna run out of time. We only got 3 weeks to Gingerman, so if we're gonna go, we need to have a go-kart ready. That's more important than the color of the trailer. So if we get time, we'll do it. If we don't, whatever. So that's it. Shutting her down. We'll go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up, all blowed out real good, and all the sand and stuff off. Then we'll get some primer and paint going. But we'll bring you some patch action in a little bit. You're gonna like that. It's pretty cool. Talk to y'all in a bit.